Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson today is about fraction. I will start fraction from converting improper fraction to mixed number. طيب احنا اللي عايزين نعرف ايه improper fraction و mixed number. We have here improper supposed to be numerator more than denominator. يعني like مثلا 7/2. Numerator here is more than numerator, so this is what we called improper fraction. Okay, طيب mixed number, we have a number, it's a mix from fraction and whole number. يعني if I have whole number here 3 and fraction half, so this is called a mixed number. Okay, this is mixed number. I wanted to convert 20/7, okay, into, this is improper, into a mixed number. So I will keep this in my mind. بصوا عليا كده. I will start from this. I will say to myself, I will keep the denominator like it is 7, then I will make the divide. يعني هعمل 20 divided by 7. I will tell myself 20 divided by 7. How many 7 in 20? I will find this is only 2. Because if we got 3, it will be 21. It's supposed to be less than 20. So it will be 2. It will be 14. The remainder will be 6. Okay? So here I will write. بصوا معايا, I will write here the quotient and the remainder will be at the numerator. Okay, so quotient here and the remainder will be at the denominator. طب تعالوا نطبق ده. We will apply it like this. I will keep the denominator like this. Then 20 divided by 7. I got 2 at the quotient. I will write it here 2. Okay, and what about the remainder? It's 6. So I will write 6 here. Okay, another example, if I want, so here it will be 2, okay, 6 and 7. Let's go to another one. It's 34 divided by 9. How can I do that? It's very easy. I will say to myself 34 divided by 9. I will set 9, I will keep the denominator. Then 34 divided by 9, I will tell myself how many 34 divided by 9. I will say to myself how many 9 and 34. It will give me 3. طيب أنا if I get 4 multiplied by 6 by 9, it will be 36 and supposed to be less than 34. So I will get 3 multiplied by 9, it will be 27. Okay, the remainder will be 34 minus 27, it will be 7. Okay, so I will get the remainder at the denominator, it's 7, and the quotient, it will be 3. It will be as a whole number. Okay, let's move to another part. This time we will convert mixed number into improper fraction, So I will get, this is mixed number. I will make like this. I will say to myself, I will keep the first thing, I will keep the denominator like it was. Then I will multiply them plus. What does it mean? I will multiply 7 multiplied by 2, it will be 14. It will go up. 14 plus 1, it will be 15. So it will be 15/2. Let's get another one. If I get this one, 5 multiplied by 9. The first thing you will do, you will put the denominator like this. Then 5 multiplied by 9, it will be 45. The product will come with the numerator. I will add 1 plus 45, it will be 46. Okay, I think it's very easy. Let's move to another part. I want you to erase this one. Okay, if you know this is like a challenge, you didn't get اللي هو 2 number divided by another 2 number, so we will erase it, but we can get it by another ways. ممكن ان احنا نجرب ال 18 multiply by how many تدينا 126 مرة مثلا. we will try it by 2, we will try by 3 to get the answer. طب تعالوا نبص بقى على this kind is called equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, this what we called, I will say I want two scales are equal. طيب if I look at this one, 6's plus equal how many divided by 24 or out of 24. I will say to myself, I will ask myself the first question, I will ask myself 6 multiply and احنا حصل هنا increase للنمبر. أنا ببص للcompleted part. The completed part here it's 6 and 24. Okay, so it's increasing, so it will get multiplied. طب هي لو حصل لها decreasing it will be divided. طب multiply by what؟ يعني هقول I will ask myself 6 multiply how many equal 24, so it will be 4. Okay, طيب أنا هطبق I will apply it at the denominator like this, then I will multiply by 4 here, so 1 multiplied by 4 it will be 4, so it will be 4 over 24. Okay, طيب let's go to another one. احنا هنا عندنا حصل ايه هنا in this part we will get ان احنا عندنا 63, احنا عندنا completed part 63 and 9. what happened here? It's 63 it get decreasing يعني قلت, so I will divide. بس يا ترى divide by what? I will say to myself 63 divided by 9 it will be okay 7, so I will divide, I will get 7 here, so it gives me 9, so also I will divide it by 7. Okay, 42 divided by 7 it will be 6. Okay, let's move to another part. This one also 24 it decreased, so how many? I will say to myself 24 divided by 4 equals, this is in table 4, so it will be 6. I will divide by 4 at the denominator and the same will be at the numerator, so it will be divided by 4, so it gives me 3 over 4. Okay, let's move to this part. 9 becomes 54, so yes, I hear you, it's increased, so I will multiply it. بس يا ترى multiply by what? I will get 54 divided by 9. I will ask myself by another way, 9 multiplied by how many equal 54? Okay, so it will be 9 multiplied by 6. So here I will multiply by 6 and here I will multiply by 6, so 12 multiplied by 6 it will be 72 and so on. Okay, let's go to comparing between different fraction with different denominator. يعني if I get this one, احنا تملي كنا بنعمل في comparing compare more than or less than or equal, you will compare the fraction. بس احنا كنا عندنا اخدنا ان احنا بيكون with the same denominator, but this time it will be at the different denominator. Okay, I have a way. if you get يعني مثلا انا بسميها طريقة المقص، ان احنا بنعمل 5 multiplied by 12 so it will give me 60. يعني انا بعمل ايه؟ بجيب الفيرست denominator ولازم الترتيب ما يمشيش اي حاجة، يبقى so I will get the first numerator with the second denominator. 5 multiplied by 12 it will be 60. I will write it here, not in this way. The second one 3 multiplied by 6 it will give me 18. Okay, so who's the biggest here? I think it's a 60. So I will put the sign to the greatest one. Okay, let's move to another one. If I say 9 and 16, you will multiply it, this one, and get the answer. And here 9 multiplied by 16, if you don't know how to get it, you will make it like this. 6 multiplied by 9, it will be 54, and 9 multiplied by 1 equal 9, plus 5, it will be 14, so it will be 144 here. Okay, and another one, 18 multiplied by 10, it will gives me 180. Okay, who's the greatest? I will find 180 is greater than 144. Okay, let's go to the fraction of the numbers. Fraction of numbers, يعني if I have third of 42, how can I get that? I will make, أنا هعملها third of 42. Okay, I will make the first thing, I will make divide to the denominator, then I will multiply. Okay, how can I do this? I will set 42 divided by 3, the first step, it will gives me 1. 4 divided by 3, it will be 1, and the remainder 1. 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. Okay, this 14 multiplied by 1 equal 14. So the answer here will be 14. Okay, طيب, let's go to some questions, but it will be more difficult. If I get 5 over 11 of 88, okay, how can I do that? I will say to myself, I will make the first step divide, then multiply. If I divide at the bottom, then I will multiply at the top. Okay, 88 divided by 11, 88 divided by 11, it will gives me 8. 8 multiplied by, هتطلع فوق, multiplied by 5, it will be 40. So the answer here will be 40. Okay, divide, then multiply. Divide at the denominator, multiply at the numerator. Okay.